This is Demaria Hogg, 30-year-old black man that was killed by Oakland PD, and his only offense was that he was unconsciously sleeping in his car. This is just but one example of a growing crisis that is police brutality. In 2016, over 1,000 police officers fatally wounded the civilians. Of that number, 90% of them were not even carrying weapons. Because of this has costed the top 10 police departments in the country over $1 billion in lawsuits and settlements, $74 million of which is paid by none other than the Oakland Police Department. So, we recognize that there's a problem. We went out to the streets, we talked to police officers, and what they said was astounding. They said that they're trained to one-up a civilian. If they see a knife, they pull out a gun. What we recognize that as is fear-based training. That is the kind of fear-based decision-making that costs a life and somebody loses a life because someone overreacts out of fear. That's the problem that we're here to solve as Plexus, VR for PD. So what we are is the first human interaction virtual reality platform for police departments. Basically what we do is we take VR, mix it with a little AI, and we give police officers the tools to do their jobs better. There's already a current model out here that sings to the tune of $300,000 a contract, and they do simulation rooms. No police department can really afford that sort of thing. But what we plan to do and how we plan to make money is we want to partner with Oculus to make the hardware itself more affordable. And with that, we'll charge these police departments about $30,000 and make this affordable for as many police departments as can take it. Where we see that this being a valuable start is by going to the streets, going to the police officers who will be using this to train themselves, to train other future police officers, the departments that they're in, then going to the police academies, moving up from there. Now, we plan to go to market launching this, staying local. We think because this idea came out of Oakland, that this would be the perfect market to launch it in. We will partner with Oakland PD. We know that they have a $500,000 training budget every year, and with all the police drama that they've had in the past year, they need us. Seriously. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to partner with the local officials. That'll give us enough clout to launch a national PR campaign when they see that the success that this Plexus program has in Oakland, that it has in California, and we'll be able to pitch this to the top 10 police departments in the country, like Chicago, who just got reckoned by the Department of Justice. So we showed this. We actually showed this prototype to a handful of police officers. They all said the same thing. They see the potential that VR has for police training, and that they believe that if they showed it to their higher-ups, they would jump on it. So you can read it for yourself, or not. So we know that this is going to work because our team is stacked. We have engineers, designers, Oculus app developers, Unix developers, marketers, PR people. We're set. We know what we're talking about. Now let's see how this thing works. I'm going to bring Karama out, and we're going to check it out.
To come in, we have a robbery in your area. Reports of a gray Mustang. Suspect is armed and dangerous. I repeat, suspect is armed and dangerous.
License and registration.
And begin.
License and registration. Put your hands on the wheel. 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 Back up, back up. I need backup. Back up. I need backup. Stop, 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 stop.